In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use setup built from a template, plus a few helpful tips to make it your own. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, locate the specific space where you want time tracking and reporting to live. Hover over that space so you can access quick actions. This ensures the template gets added exactly where you need it, keeping your work organized from the start. Next, click the plus icon associated with that space and choose Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, which is the fastest way to add a complete pre-built structure for time tracking and basic reporting. In the search bar at the top of the template window, type time tracking. You'll see matching options appear. Select the time tracking template to preview what's included. Typically lists, views, and fields designed to capture time entries and present them in a meaningful way. When you're ready, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Choose a clear, consistent name that your team will recognize right away, such as time tracking your team or client. Clear naming makes it easier to scale this approach across multiple spaces later. After entering the name, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will add the template into your chosen space and set up the lists and views for you automatically. Once it's added, feel free to customize everything to match your workflow. Start by reviewing the statuses and renaming them to reflect how your team actually works. Open the list views and confirm that time-related columns such as estimated time or billable indicators fit your needs. If you see fields you don't use, remove them to keep things clean. If something's missing, add a custom field so you can track what matters most, like client, sprint, or cost center. Check the views that came with the template. Rename them to make their purpose obvious, such as team time overview or weekly summary, and rearrange or filter columns so the most important information appears at the top. Adjust colors and icons for quick visual scanning and collapse sections you rarely need. Finally, make sure everything is placed where your team expects it, so time tracking is quick and reporting is effortless. That's it. You've opened your account, added the time tracking template to the right space, and customized it to create clear, useful reporting in ClickUp.